Venture into the intricate world of the Internet of Things, IoT, where everyday connectivity intersects with the critical realm of cybersecurity. The vast IoT landscape, from smart homes to industrial automation, IoT devices are reshaping how we live and work. Imagine a network where your car, refrigerator, and even your coffee machine are interlinked, creating a symphony of seamless efficiency. But within this harmony lies a potential discord. Cybersecurity, the invisible shield. Each IoT device, while offering convenience, also poses a potential risk. The recent incidents of security breaches in smart home systems exemplify the vulnerability of these networks. Hackers can exploit even a minor weakness, leading to significant data breaches or worse, expanding horizons and lurking dangers. As IoT continues to grow, encompassing everything from personal wearables to sprawling smart cities, the complexity of securing these networks multiplies. The challenge is akin to guarding a fortress with countless gates, each needing vigilant protection. A call to action. The future of IoT is not just about technological advancements, but also about fortifying the digital bastions against cyber threats. As we embrace this connected world, we must also champion the cause of cybersecurity, ensuring that our digital and physical realms remain safe. As a conclusion, in this age of unparalleled connectivity, our journey through the IoT universe is both exhilarating and perilous. It's a path of incredible potential, shadowed by the need for stringent cybersecurity. The balance we strike today will define the safety and efficacy of our interconnected tomorrow.